Hi gang, Ron 1 here with the LittleWierdJeep. Finally getting around to doing this little walk around. Just kind of, I know I like knowing what kind of stuff everybody has on their Jeep. So here we go. And again, it's a 2008 JKU, purchased from Dennis Collins Brothers Jeep. Worked with Dennis Collins to buy this back in outside of Dallas, Texas. So obviously being from Collins Jeep, it's got a lot of Black Mountain accessories on it, which they sell. They're the main distributors for that. So start with the front of the Jeep here. And on the front, I guess the first and obvious thing is the grill. It's got a Euro grill, angry eye grill with mesh inset in the middle. I know, no 7 bars, sorry guys. Bought it that way. Most of the stuff I bought it that way came on the Jeep when I bought it. And it's got the little Euro guards for the headlights there. And then down below in the bumper are the factory fog lights, but both the headlights and the fog lights will be changing soon to LEDs, some Pro Comp LEDs. So look for that video coming up. And the 4KC lights there are from off of the LittleWierd truck that got wrecked. The two up on top there on tabs from that bumper are long range ones. I think they're the Series C series lights. And the two down below are wide angle ones. And I just threw them on where I had some existing holes for now. They're not actually wired. I found I did have a brand new harness in the shop. So I'll be wiring those up here soon and probably eventually maybe relocating them. And the bumper is a stage 1 recovery bumper from Black Mountain with a couple D-rings, Smitty-built D-rings on there. I put those on. And I think that covers it for the front, so let's move on to the side. Okay, here we are on the side, and as you can see, I believe it has, I'm not positive, but I believe it has a Black Mountain 3-inch lift on it. And it has Black Mountain 3-tube side rails down there. Pretty good heavy-duty side rails. It's got Black Mountain steel bumper or fenders on it, front and back. Nice wide and heavy edge on them. Nice tubing for an edge there. Really stout. It has 18-inch fuel wheels on it. It came with those. It came with the Nitto tires, 35-inch tall tires. They're about half shot. What else from the side here? Oh, and I think the hood latches are Rugged Ridge. Upgraded hood latches. And let's see what else we got here. The rack on top is a Cargo Master. It was a used one that Dennis Collins threw on the Jeep for me, because I thought I'd be hauling some wood once in a while, being a woodworker, so it's nice to have that. And let's see, I think that's it. It does have a brand new best top, convertible top on it. I believe it's the vinyl model, and it's kind of a dark black or dark charcoal black. And so now let's go around to the back. Okay, now on the back we have a Black Mountain Stage 2 recovery bumper. It's got a receiver down there. A couple more Smitty-built D-rings on the bumper. And it's a Black Mountain spare tire carrier, swing out. And what we've got there too, that was all that came with the Jeep. What's added on the back is the Fire Stick CB antenna that was put on by Summit Jeep in Prescott. And let's see what else here. Oh, and then up there on the top, I've got my high lift jack mounted up there on that Cargo Master rack from the LittleWierd truck. And then it also has the Euro guards on the taillights here. So that is the back end. Something I missed on the side over here, it does have the Black Mountains gas filler door there, which is kind of nice. I like that. And okay, let's go check on the engine. Okay, and this does have the 3.8 Jeep engine, and as far as I can tell, it's stock with the exception of the Spectra cold air intake here. I haven't noticed anything else that's been changed on it. So that's about it for the engine, and it is a 3-speed automatic with overdrive. Then, as many of you may have already seen in my other videos of things that I've been adding on, is the addition of a dash cam. That's a Alcam dash cam. And the CB, the Cobra 75, whatever those 4 letters are afterwards, the CB where everything's in the mic, and then there's just a small box that's in under the glove box. Check out the video on that. That's in the description. And I did mount my knife right there with a magnet. And let's see what else so far. I've got just these little straps up here in the front. And in the back, I've got these wild boar grab bars, which I just love those suckers, both sides. And I actually have them for the front, but I got a little problem with getting the bolt in one of the holes in the front, so I got to reattack that. So hopefully I'll get the front ones on soon. And let's see, in the back, you've probably seen my video. If not, check them out. We'll have those in the description also. Putting in the Rugged Ridge fire extinguisher holder and fire extinguisher, and these Opal, O-P-A-L-L storage bags on each side, roll bar storage bags. So we'll go around the other side and look at this one. And there's the passenger side with the roll bar storage bag in there. I like those because carry all that crap you need, and it keeps the main storage area free for your ice chest and all that other crap you just have to carry, you know. So see if I forgot anything. And here's the other side of the front seat. I've got a magnetic phone holder there, which you can see on the CB video, link in description. And there's the CB down there, handy. And the knife I showed you. And then over here we got, with a quick fist, a flashlight, LED flashlight right there, handy. So I think that's about it. And as far as underneath, it's stock underneath with the 3 skid plates from the factory. Upgrade coming soon to underneath is to get that steering stabilizer up from hanging down there. And as I mentioned earlier, LED lights for the headlights and the fog lights, and getting my KCs wired up. And I think that's it for now, so stay tuned for all the upcoming upgrades, gang. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, one last thing. I got a shovel mounted up there with some KC headlight mounts and some quick fists, I think they're called. Holding my shovel on up there. Now I think it's bye-bye.